Hi everyone, welcome to the Cooking with Brown Chef. Today I'm gonna do a mushroom sauce. It's a one of main sauce. I know guys, you're gonna love this mushroom sauce. It's a one of favorite. It's very popular everywhere you go. Especially if you want to have a steak, the mushroom sauce is the one of important thing. So today it's very easy, very nice. It's gonna take a very short time to make it. Whoever new to this industry, who wanna know how to make a mushroom sauce, whoever had a nice mushroom sauce in a restaurant and think that, oh, how is they gonna do the mushroom sauce, this is the time for you guys to have a look. It's very simple. It's not a rocket science. You can make the mushroom sauce within very short time. So first of all, I'm gonna introduce the ingredients. So I'm gonna get some little bit wine to demi-glaze it, and I have a 250 milliliter of thickened cream. Then I have a handful of mushroom. I'm gonna slice them up. And I have a beef gravy, 25 gram of beef gravy. I have 250 milliliter of water. Then I'm gonna dissolve this to 25 gram of beef gravy into this. You can buy beef gravy from any supermarket. And please guys, please do follow the instruction behind the packets, because it shows you that what amount of water you need to dissolve the powder. So first of all, I'm gonna cut the mushroom into the slices, and so you make sure slice the mushroom very thinly. Make sure get the right size of mushroom, and so I use the button mushroom. You can use any mushroom you want. Now I'm gonna dissolve the beef gravy into the hot water. Make sure you use the hot water, and as I said, please follow the instruction behind the gravy mix. So this is 250 milliliter of gravy. This is 250 milliliter of thickened cream. So outcome will be 400 milliliter of mushroom sauce. So now I'm gonna do how to do the mushroom sauce. So my pan is already heating up there. Let's move guys, let's move to the next stage. Let the pan heat it up first. You can add the mushroom first. Cut and slice mushroom. And as you see, you're gonna get the sounds. The pan is already heating up. Then you're gonna add red wine, cooking wine. Make sure cooking wine. It's up to you. You can use the white wine too. Make sure it should be a cooking white wine. And just give a little stir up. And then you're gonna put the beef gravy. Make sure you dissolve the gravy properly, otherwise you will get some lumps. So as you see, this is kind of thickness you're gonna get. Leave it for 1 minute, let it thick for a while. You smell the aroma of wine. Oh, that's the perfect smell for the mushroom sauce. Next stage is you're gonna put cream. It's a 250 milliliter of thickened cream. And then you're gonna give a nice mix and let it boil for a while. Please guys, please put the right amount of ingredients, otherwise you're gonna mess up with this sauce. So it's really important to get the right ingredients in right quantity, and make sure you give a nice stir up, otherwise it's gonna overflow. The mushrooms flavors in the mushroom sauce, that's it need to be. See the consistency, it's really nice, and it's nearly ready to serve now. So see the bubbles coming up, and the thickness, perfect thickness. So it's ready now. It's ready to take it out. See the color, it's brownish, light brownish, and that's the perfect consistency. This is a perfect stage to take it out and serve it off. So I'm gonna take it now. So as you see, this is, look at that, how thick it is. Oh, mushrooms is dripping off from there. So look at that, the color, see the aroma is really nice, the wine flavor up there. That's the perfect way to make the mushroom sauce. This is how we do the mushroom sauce guys. You can serve the mushroom sauce with the chips or steak, porterhouse, eye fillet or whatever. So I'm gonna try it now, see how it is. Imagine. Thanks for watching me. Thanks for subscribing me, Cooking with the Brown Chef. Please do comment under my videos and give suggestions and requests whatever you want me to make in the future. So I'm happy to do that. So thanks guys. Thanks for watching me, and see you with a different video. Cheers. Bye.